In today's video, we are going to be doing division, and we're going to be using the standard algorithm. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to write down our division problem. We're going to want to write it down this way and not the other way because the standard algorithm is used a lot easier when you can line things up like this. So the first thing I'm going to want to think of is 6 is bigger than 5. I want to try to see how many groups of 6 are in 5. There are 0 groups. Now I'm moving on to 51. I know that 6 is less than 51. So I can start with 51 to start my standard algorithm method. So now I'm trying to figure out how many times 6 goes into 51. So 6 goes into 51 how many times? I'm just going to write out my multiples of 6. I know it's 6, 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, right? And then now I'm at 42. So I'm counting up because maybe I don't automatically just know all my multiples. That's totally fine. You can use this method where you're drawing the dots. But eventually you're going to be looking and you're going to be seeing that 51 is smaller than 54. So 54 is too big. You're going to go to the number less than, which would be 48. Now I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know that 6 goes into 51 8 times, right? So that 8 is going to go on the top, but it's going to go above the 1. So make sure you're putting that above the 1. The 48 is going to go below the 51. Next, we're going to be subtracting. So I'm just writing down really quick. It's going to be divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down, bring it on back. So first we divided by seeing how many times that 6 went into 51. It went in 8 times. So we multiplied 6 times 8 to get 48. So as I said, we're on our subtraction. So we're going to, I like to count up. So 48, 49, 50, 51. So 51 to minus 48 would be 3. Now it's time to bring it on down. We brought down our 2 to get 32. Now we're bringing it on back. So now we're going to do division again. We're just restarting. So bring it on back just means repeat. So how many times does 6 go into 32? Because we're working with 32 now. So that's going to be our division problem. So 32 divided by 6 is about what number? Instead of rewriting, I'm just going to look at what I did before. I'm seeing that 36 is too big, so 30 would be just about right. I know that 30 divided by 6 is 5. So 32 divided by 6 is about 5. I put that 5 above my 2, and I'm putting my 30 below my 32. Now it is time to subtract. So 32 minus 30 is 2. I know that 2 is smaller than 6. So that means 2 is going to be my remainder. I can't take any more 6s out of 2. So now to finish off the problem, we're going to write our remainder at the top, and we have 85 remainder 2 as our answer. It's always a good idea to rewrite your problem with your final answer at the top so whoever is grading your work can see it.